Hello, biology students. This is Miss Boso. I'm gonna go over your assignment for today. You have an asynchronous day, so that means that you're gonna be working on assignments that all your teachers, periods 1 through 3, have assigned for you. So on Google Classroom, you are gonna see this posted. So just make sure that you click on the Google Classroom where it says asynchronous assignment, and then as soon as you open it, just go ahead and start working on it. So the first thing that I want you to do as a warm-up is just use one sentence to describe yourself as a student. Let me give you an example. If I were to describe myself as a student, I'm gonna say that I am a very responsible and dedicated student that tries really hard to keep up good grades. So as you can see, it's not a lot, but I do want you to use a whole sentence to just try to describe yourself. Then the next part of the assignment is to complete the vocabulary activity. You have had this type of assignment before, so I'm expecting you guys know what to do. So here are some terms. There's only 4 of them, and this is things that we have actually gone over during class. So we have codominance, genotype, phenotype, and genetics. So your job is to actually look for the definition of these terms and also find a visual representation. You can do that by inserting and then going to image, and you can actually search the web to try to see what comes up, and just pick an image that really represents that in terms of biology. The last part that you need to complete in order to get full credit for this assignment is just the extra slip, which is a question that I have for you. With that is, what are your plans for spring break? Spring break is literally around the corner, so I want you to give me at least 2 things that you plan on doing, making sure that you use complete sentences to explain to me. So give me details. For example, I'm going to give you an example of myself. I plan to redecorate my room while I'm on a spring break, or I plan to do spring cleaning of my closet. Okay, so just make sure it's a complete sentence. Two of them will get you full credit. This video will be posted on the Google Classroom page, and then if you have any questions, I will have office hours at 11:30. Bye, students. Have a wonderful day.